First time I ever opened that. Welcome back to the channel. I opened up the side door to try to get a little breeze through here, but it's supposed to be 51 today. So, welcome back to the garage. Still not my Miata. But today, I think we're gonna dump some oil into the Magna. We're gonna test a little petcock repair I did. If those things go all right, might even start it. But yeah, we're gonna just get my work area cleaned up real fast here, and then we'll get wrenching on the bike everyone wants to actually see. Didn't make enough room. Okay. This is a Amsoil 10W40. Use what you feel like makes sense. Just make sure what you're using is a motorcycle oil, so your clutches and whatnot don't start slipping because of it. Motorcycle oil doesn't contain a lot of the additives and whatnot car oil has to make it slipperier. So not sponsored, not an advertisement for Amsoil, just what I use. Oh yeah, I should throw the battery on the tender quick. So that's 3 quarts. We'll run it, then double check it again, just once it's thrown all the oil around. All right, check some fuel. I would have to at least get a little bit in it, I think, to test it. Just reminder, I did a repair on the fuel shutoff petcock. It would leak before if I tried to turn it off. I think I hooked everything back up under there. We're gonna find out. Okay, let's go down to the second tank. Probably gonna have to at least fill it up to where the second tank is full, so that I get enough pressure on that petcock to test it. If I was smart, I would have tested it off the bike, but I'm not. We're also going to figure out if I hook the fuel filter back up all the way. So far, nothing appears to be leaking. Let's fill it further. We must go deeper. Are we leaking? Not seeing anything yet other than stuff that's probably me spilling. Oh, she's full. Right there. Okay. She's full. Alright. Battery is charging. And now I gotta find where I put the hardware. Oh boy. Oh boy. Anyway, we'll find that. I'm gonna throw that in. I guess we're gonna just see. She should turn over and see if she wants to run after sitting for a little bit. So we're gonna do that. All right. Well, she's saying the battery's low. Choke. Alright, well, we got oil pressure. Hold on. It's saying we're not getting a very good battery. Let me check the battery connects quick. We'll be right back. Did anyone guess it? Anyone? Did anyone guess why the bike didn't want to start at first? Did anyone guess the fact that I didn't turn the fuel thing back, Eoni Petcock garbage? Okay, so that apparently should give it fuel now. I'm smart. I graduated college. So we're gonna let the battery just get a little juice again, since I, sillily did that. Actually, no, it was entirely on purpose because I wanted to see if there's oil pressure, and there was. So, just saying. That choke. Oh. I don't know why I took the key out, but I did out of habit. We have power. Still says battery seems to be low, but how about now? It says we're on. Don't know if I have a fuel pump. Hold on. I don't know if I'm getting fuel, folks. This is why we're doing this, I guess. Okay, no, I got fuel now. Update. Battery's almost dead. Gonna go grab a new one. All of a sudden, okay, I found that the headlight wasn't plugged in. Then the fuel pump started pumping. So something happened. We're back to red on the charger. I'm red on my battery. We're getting somewhere. I'll be right back. Let's see what happens again. We have an electrical gremlin. Loud noises. Yeah. Oh. Smelling warm. I'm gonna just give it a break. So I have an electrical gremlin. Let me think that through for a second. A little low on battery. Okay. I'm intermittently getting the right voltages and stuffs places. I don't know what I'm missing yet quite. Obviously I have the headlight off. I plugged in the old sealed beam original headlight to it. Kind of did the same thing it did with the LED. It's as if it's not initializing correctly yet. So I think either I have something plugged in incorrectly, I have something just not making proper connection. I should probably just double check kill switch and whatnot. So anyway, that's where we're at. I think this is gonna be the end of the video though. So I got it back on the charger. I'm gonna just go through the electrical. I'm gonna make this kind of its own video now though. That's why I'm ending this video. So stay tuned. I apologize for ending on a little bit of cliffhanger. I didn't think that's how that was gonna go. I haven't really ever had many electrical issues with this bike, so it must have just been something I've done. So I'll just double check everything. I'll double check my plugs. Who knows? It's been sitting for a minute, so something could have gotten loose. Maybe my grounds. Double check my grounds, wherever the hell those are. And we'll get back to it. So anyway, thanks for being here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe what you want to see, and we'll dig into the Magna next time. Have a good one. Love you. Bye.